All right, guys, let's talk about Lululemon. This is one of the stocks after the war with Iran is happening. This stock is going to gap down. As you can see, we ended over here after for the bell at 227 last Friday, and now we're down at 225. Now, this thing can only go down so much. This is going to be unsustainable down in this area. I'm looking to get in. I'm going to buy a lot of shares down in here as I see this going to have a massive bounce. You know, we hit this lower Keltner channel. We had the EMA 5 TD. We had the quarterly EMA 50 acting as strong support. Yes, with the war with Iran, this can go a little farther down. But I feel like if you're willing to hold this for quite some time, look at all the drops that's the thing. Every time it drops, it has recovered immensely. We still have this massive gap right in here that we actually haven't even filled yet at the $400 plus range. But I'm looking for over 10% gain. I'm going to scale in. I'm using all my day trading. You guys that have been watching my day trading videos, I'm using that money, putting into my higher quality stocks, making, plus 1,000 plus a day, doing that. If you guys want to learn the day trading, I mean, you got to get involved with that. It's insane. But this is a higher quality stock that I think is definitely going to go up. It's definitely due for that. And you can look at the longer term outlook. It is in an uptrend. But yeah, as you can see right in here, this is probably the most oversold big cap stock right now in the market. We haven't touched the 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be 11 days, and I have no doubt about we're going to hit that. This is not like my end goal target, but just a very conservative target. It's at 225 right now after hours. Hitting that EMA 5 is a solid 4%. I'm more interested in the EMA 10, which is 11% gain, and the 20, which is a 19%. It's going to hit those. I expect within the month time frame we get near that, but I definitely know this is going to start, it will make an uptrend. Every time this thing has made a downtrend on the daily, you can see right here, this is kind of what I'm expecting. You see how we get away from those EMAs, we come back up to test that reversion to mean. This was an earnings. I would not have played that earnings. And then you can see it goes back down to that lower Keltner channel and then comes back up and even goes way up in here. I mean, the swings are wild on this thing. So you can look at the analysis. You have mixed ratings, but lots of analysts are on this. I think this is a really nice company, guys. And then I want to point out, look at the KDJ. It's a 2.12 right now. That is probably the lowest I've seen a big cap stock in a very long time get to the 2.12. Literally, when the market opens, this is going to be in the 1 range. If you're not buying this, you're absolutely crazy. I'm telling you, this is going to make easy 5 to 10% gain in the short term. All right. If you guys want to join the Discord, be a part of a community, definitely click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. Definitely get involved in the community. You're going to love this strategy. Once you join the Discord, hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. Do that on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you have an Android, you will have to use your computer or just use your phone's browser. It's super easy to subscribe. If you ever need help, just message me in the free chat. I'll be here. You can see me here on the side, Reversal Trader King. Now, keep in mind, there is people that will try to, impersonate me. So do keep in mind, I will never message or DM you or friend request you, okay? But yeah, check out Lululemon, guys. If you haven't already, I loaded this thing up last Friday. As I like this area here, I bought some 227. I'm going to buy some 225s and below, and I'm just going to keep accumulating this thing. This thing is going over 230 plus, all right? That's my short-term target. EMA 5 is located at 235. I'm thinking we can get to 250s, and then I'm just going to trail and stop this. Once I'm above 10%, hold some break even, and I'm going to see if we can get all the way back up into this longer-term target of 400 plus range. That could take some time. I give it about 3 months. We get back up into that area. So we'll see. These are quarterly charts. If you missed the last dump on Lululemon, well, you missed out on a 86% return. That's pretty massive return. This is a quarter chart, so that took about 3 months, but that's pretty freaking good, right? So don't miss out on it. Every time this has got me here, you've seen it. EMA 50, bounce. EMA 50, bounce. And what is these targets looking like? I mean, massive 93% return. Another 93%. And then this was the big, massive move up that we've got. So I'm not going to sleep on this, guys. Definitely looking to get in on this as the bell opens up, and we'll see. So this is a gift right here. All right, guys, join the Discord. Lock in this promotional discount of only $12 bucks a month. You won't regret it. you will be OG'd in. It will never go up in price for you, and you will have all my day trading education, swing trading education, swing trade alerts, day trade alerts, and live streams every day. I hope to see you guys there, and happy trading. Peace out, and let's make some money.